Hello people and welcome back to Collin Dashcam channel. Today we prepared a really cool episode packed with all sorts of road moments caught on driver's dashcam, and we'll kick this one off with a crazy road rage between a Darren and the bikers. Check this one out.
Yo guys, have your fun, I don't really care, but we got 7-year-old kids living on this street. If they're out here running around playing, you guys fly up and down this road.
You're going 20, 30.
No, you weren't.
Right now? Right now.
Yeah.
We're doing like 30
Dude,
miles an hour.
I'm telling you,
I mean, if you
everybody's
want to,
flying
you
up
can
and
get
down
the
the
police
street.
involved, but
Just
we
do me
got
a
it on
favor.
dash cam. We
Just
got
do
it
me
on
a favor.
dash cam.
Just do me a favor. Please.
We literally have a 50 or a 300cc with us. We can't go that fast.
I'm just telling you.
And I'm just
It's
telling
always,
you.
It's always up and down the street, people flying up and down here when you guys come down here.
We just literally went 30 miles an hour, and I have it on my
I'm
dash
just
cam.
telling you. I mean,
Okay.
There's little kids. That's all I'm asking. I don't care. Have fun. I don't give a shit. Just have
Well,
fun.
clearly you do.
Be safe.
We were
on my
going
street.
30 miles an hour down the hill.
You want to keep running your mouth? We can solve it.
Solve it like what? You're coming over here
I'm
to my
asking
friend's
you to just
property.
drive slowly down the hill. We got little kids on
We
the
were
street.
going 30 miles an hour.
That's all I ask. It's not.
No problem. Oh, yeah.
It's not. You're not going slow.
Then call the cops. I can show them my footage.
Go cut some more grass, guy.
What's that?
Go cut some more grass.
What are you gonna do?
God, you shot
You came to us.
You came to me.
Don't drink and drive, guys. Nothing good comes out of it. I mean, just look at this guy who hit the trash can.
They better be getting on the expressway. Feel like watch, they're going to Jamie Mines. Damn, look, that car just ran the red light. What'd you do? Conked my head on the hatchback because it didn't open up.
In this video, we have a crazy driver in a pickup truck who simply doesn't care about the traffic lights. Check this one out.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, stupid. Hey. Scumbag.
You stopping at a green light? Dumb. What's wrong with people, man? Stupid. What was that? Oh man. Well, that's like top right there.
direction, we get to Details live from the Valley Chevy Dealers Traffic Center with Detour.
Jeff, thank you. Hey, good morning. And definitely on the money. It does look like.
So let's go right to Detour Dan in the Valley Chevy Dealers Traffic Center.
Thank you, Becky Lynn. Let's go right to the west side freeways, where at the moment, that's where you're going to get at least one of the freeway crashes. Northbound 51 north of McDowell out of the mini stack, just north of, but no longer blocking that HOV lane. It has been cleared out of the way there. You're right to get by it. Mill Avenue and Southern collision. Pecos and Market Street near Santan Village Parkway wreck at 19.
Prices, but the cost
You were just in that lane.
Apartments, restaurant meals, and auto insurance remain stubbornly high. Federal Reserve will take that information into consideration, along with Wednesday's.
Camera was already committed in that lane, even before the caddy driver, and he didn't back down. The caddy driver was a bit hasty here, and because of that, he had to reverse all the way back. It's really unfortunate to see that drivers don't pay attention at road markings nowadays at all. Despite being in the right turn lane only, this driver made a left turn and he caused a traffic gridlock and nearly an accident. And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on Collin Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that's the purpose of this channel, is for you to watch and observe simply by the mistakes other drivers make. And if you truly like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like, because we will really appreciate that. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.